Hi, today we're going to talk about the power exponent rule. So when we have a power to a power, what do we do to simplify to a single exponent? Let me show you what I mean. If I have 7 to the power of 4, all of it to the power of 2, then first let me show you what this means in the long version, and then I'll teach you the fast version. So what this means is I have 7 to the power of 4, so I have the number 7 4 times. So I have 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Well, then I put that in parentheses, which is fine because that's all in parentheses. Then that's squared. That means, well, I really have this thing 2 times. So I've already had it once. I have to do it another time. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Now, what invisible operation is going on right here? It's just multiply. So we don't actually need the parentheses because it's just multiplication all the way across. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 for my first set of 4, then times, here's my second set of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I have to simplify this to a single exponent, I can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 7 to the power of 8. That's the long version of how to do this. Now the fast version is, I take my two exponents, 4 times 2, and I multiply them together. So 4 times 2 is 8. So then my answer is 7 to the power of 8. Okay, let me show you another example. What if I have x to the power of 3, all of it to the power of negative 8? Ooh, okay, that's really long, so I'm not going to write out the long version. Let's use our fast version, and we're going to multiply 3 times negative 8. So I'm doing 3 times negative 8, which equals negative 24. So my answer is x to the power of negative 24. But wait, we always need to change it to a positive exponent. So I'm going to cross the line and change the sign. So that means all of this moves to the bottom of a fraction, right? We have this invisible divided by 1. So I'm going to take all of this, move it to the bottom of my fraction. So now I have x to the power of, well, once I cross the line, I get to change the sign, so it's a positive 24. So x to the power of positive 24. And there's a 1 on the top. So that is the power rule of exponents.